Hello everybody, Cooperall here. Today I'm doing a tutorial on Java. For those of you who don't know what Java is a programming language used in many games like Minecraft and Tekkit. For other games like Roblox and Roblox Studio, they use a coding language called Lua, which is something like Java, and it's also used in the Computercraft mod for Minecraft and Tekkit. But Yeah, let's just get this started. I'm using a program called Eclipse. You can download this from the link in the description. But yeah, this is for Mac and Windows. So yeah, let's get started. First thing what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to New and Java Project, and let's just name it Cooperall Tutorials. I should do a tutorial on how to spell tutorial. I should do a tutorial on how to spell tutorials. Alright? Just keep everything default and click finish. Okay, so now we have this. So then we're going to right click on it and we're going to say new class. This class we're going to name tutorial. Wait. Okay. Tutorial class. Now, should give you this. This stuff is completely insane. And to be honest, I have no idea what this is. So what we're going to do is we're going to click. We are just going to leave this alone, okay? I think I'm going to start off with one of the most simple Java codes that you can do. System out print line hello tutorial nerds. I think I did that right. Okay. For those of you who aren't geniuses, this will seem kind of cryptic. So let me run you through. System, pretty obvious, the system. Put something out, print a line, and then it will print hello tutorial nerds. This is to end the code. So now, if we go to here and we click run, it will say hello tutorial nerds. We could also use this command, system out print hello, I'm doing a tutorial on Java. The difference between, oh wait, it auto-corrected, alright. The difference between print line and print is that print line will put a new, like, enter, like it'll enter. But print will put it on the same line. So watch. I did something wrong. Oh wait. Okay. System out print. Waffles. Because waffles are amazing. Now let's run. Yeah, see? Waffles. Right here. And then, as you can see, it does not make any attempt to try and correct this. So you need to type it the way you want it. So we're going to put a space in front of waffles, an exclamation point after Java. There we go, waffles. That part is essential. All right. So pretty simple. Not that bad. you can go ahead and download Eclipse and practice this yourself. But I don't think I'm done with this tutorial yet. I think I'm going to try something. I'm going to teach you guys about strings, integers, and doubles. Alright, so we're going to type string Cooperall. String Cooperall equals, I really hope I didn't just mess this up. Oh. Alright. String Cooperall, I'm a nerd. System out and line. Whoa, Coop, what did you just do? I mean, that's pretty cool, but what did you just do? Alright, I'm gonna explain. So we have here string, oh, the time machine. Alright, we have here string Cooperall. This means we're creating a new text line string named Cooperall. And here we're defining what Cooperall is. Cooperall equals I'm a nerd. End code. Alright, and then we have here system out print line parentheses apostrophe, hey guys, Cooperall here, exclamation point, space, apostrophe, space plus space, Cooperall, and then end code. Now, in case you haven't noticed, I did not put apostrophes around this. Why I didn't do that is the apostrophes are saying that the text inside of here is text, and it's not a string, it's not a double, it's not an integer. So, yeah, let's see something else. Integer. Integer CT. I think I did something wrong. Hold on. Integer CT. Okay, there we go. That's how I spell it. And then CT equals alright. Alright. That part's done. System out print line CT. Let's fire this baby up. Alright. An integer is pretty much a number. It is a number. CT is the integer's name. End code. And here we're defining it. CT equals 2. The number 2. It's pretty simple. End code. And then we're saying here, system out print line, no apostrophes. If you put apostrophes around this, it'll think that this is text, and it doesn't define it as a string, integer, or double. Don't worry, I'll get the doubles. And then the parentheses around CT and end code. And down here, pops up as 2. Coop. What if you want to put a decimal? That's pretty simple. So we type in double double B, and then thanks bean equals 5.7. Okay, well, so system out print line. Thanks bean. Alright, we're gonna fire this baby up. Same stuff we have here. We have double, which means a decimal, 2 different sections. Double, thanks Bean, who was my first subscriber. Thank you very much, Bean. I'm really happy. And then thanks Bean equals 5.7. Now the reason they have the difference between integers and doubles is this period would throw off an integer entirely, because it could be leading off to some other code like like that, and the computer would be like, whoa, what does this mean? And then you would have to define it as a double instead. Double pretty much says that this is text. So we said system out print line thanks Bean without apostrophes in parentheses and code. Pops out as 5.7. So yeah, if you like these tutorials, be sure to subscribe, leave a like. Have any problems with the tutorials, leave a comment. Have a question on the tutorial, leave a comment. If you have a suggestion for a tutorial, be sure to leave a comment, because I'll do tutorials on anything that's within my will. So yeah. Oh, always be sure to save. So yeah, that's pretty much all I really needed to say. That's it. Bye.